did I waste a good $200 on this stuff? Yeah. Do I care? Not at the moment, because I needed to make this space mine, and you know, I can survive, but I need to make this mine, and so let's get into this. We're just gonna go smallest to biggest, just because I know that this one, I'm like, I can hear it. It's Perfume, because I ran out. Also, let's actually start with the tripod that I got from Jan. It's this one, and I absolutely love it. It's so good. It's so freaking good. So again, thank you, Jan, for just being the crazy, amazing woman that you are. I absolutely love and appreciate you. You still have to give me your address so I can start sending you things. But this is my go-to perfume, body mist, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's the Paradise Bloom by Pink. It smells to me like sunscreen, and I just love it, and I love how I smell. Like, I smell yummy, okay? Don't judge. Also, off topic, the stuff that I was going to be giving away to friends box is now just becoming mine, because I just don't have the energy to send the other stuff out to Kayla, and the other friend just decided to be a B word. So, and I've been really like lacking creativity. Not that like my last look wasn't creative, but I've completely lost my spark right now, and I'm hoping that there's some stuff in there that can like spark it up again. So, next box. Honestly, I think this is probably going to be another perfume, because I ordered 2. Also, I have my Avalanche Jersey, finally. I'm so excited. I've been a fan of them for years, and I finally was like, you know what? Yeah. I'm going to get to wear jerseys today for work, like wear whatever we want for work, like sports-wise, so I'm excited. Okay, this is another one from Pink. It is the Warm and Cozy. Something about me is that I absolutely love and adore the scent of vanilla. Vanilla is like my absolute favorite, most like godforsaken scent ever. So this is soft vanilla, toasted coconut, and passion fruit. It looks like this. Let's give it a little spray. This one is hibiscus flower and island air. This, wow. Okay. Wonderful purchase myself. Wonderful purchase. Okay, so the next one. I know what's in this one. Do you see, where is it? Can I get out of the frame? That blue cup back there? She's going. She got dented when she fell out of my ex thing's truck. So she's going to be retired, because she didn't need to go through that for a shithole of a man. Full offense, Jacob. Full offense. You're a douche canoe. Beyond belief. Okay, we have 3 things in this box. So let's start with the smallest one. This is, yay. Oh, it says for outdoor. Oh, I make outdoor things indoor. This is my little rose quartz, like almost a chandelier. It's not a chandelier. It's a sun catcher. Because there's so many bad fucking vibes in my life that I'm like, nope. So, I need to find a place to hang her. I'm so excited to have her. This is gonna start my crystal journey. I've been like so tempted about like the whole crystal journey for like the longest time, and I feel like now's the time. Now's the time. I need it. Okay, so this is it in its glorious, beautiful, gorgeous form. Do you see it? It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Again, I don't know where to put it. I'm guessing maybe my fan above me, but I feel like that's gonna start some shit with my cats. But you know what? That sounds like a them problem, not a me problem, to be quite perfectly honest. Okay, so you can't really see it because I have it hanging, but I'll give you the full room look over when everything's opened. Does that work? Okay. Next, we have my cup. I have been absolutely loving these cups. This is the Reduced brand. I found it on Amazon when I was trying to find a huge cup because I like to drink water. Water is like the only thing that I drink. And so that's when I found my blue one. Again, she took a tumble for a very unworthy person. She doesn't stand straight. She's been through a lot. She's going to be retired. She's lived a good life. But, so, this is, gosh, what is it? The 40 ounce? 40? 42? Somewhere up there. But I saw this color, this papaya color, and I could not resist. This is why I should not be allowed to touch, like, any sort of money thing when I am having issues, because yeah. I have so many options if you're wanting any of these. I highly recommend them. Again, they keep my stuff so cool and so just like wonderful. And this one has one of those like sticky-ish like bottoms so then it won't like budge. And this one has a smaller bottom than my other one, which sort of doesn't fit into cup holders, but I think this one will. And this one also has lines on the inside showing you how like much water you've been drinking, blah, 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 all that stuff. You do a comparison. Mine has stickers. These are not dirty. I mean, they sort of are, but they were scratch and sniff, so yeah. And I have a Grievous sticker. Okay, so this is the difference. Can we... This one, yeah. See, the bottoms are just a tad bit different. I'm still loving these. This is... Should I do a look with these two colors? I think I should. This is gorgeous. We're gonna do something with these two, okay? You know what? Good for my brain for telling me I needed to show you stuff, because... But I need to wash her because she's gonna be taken to work today. You know what? Actually, no. She'll have her last ride today. And then we will... We will retire her in a good, wonderful, worthy ceremony. And now for the start of the room decor, which I'm so excited for. It took me a minute to kind of like dial down what I wanted for my room theme to be, especially because like I've been a cow lover like my whole entire past, like cow's been my personality trait for like the past 5 freaking years. So I thought, oh well, maybe I could do something down that road, and then it just didn't feel authentic. It didn't feel like me. So then I just sat there and I scoured this on for a little bit longer, and I found like the sun and moon stuff, and it kind of soaked my soul a little. So I'm excited to show you all the stuff that I've got. This is a tapestry. I'll have to scoot back. Let me scoot back. Somebody's responding to me on the YouTube. I want to know who it is. It's probably Jan, to be quite honest. I think she's the only one I've watched so far today. But this is the tapestry. I'm so excited. I'm thinking, to be quite honest, that I'm going to put it behind here. Or that looks stupid. Should we put it behind there? Or should I put it... Okay, that's like my blanket on my window. Or like over there. I think it would fit better over here, to be quite honest. But again, we will see. Okay, next we have some wall hanging stuff. Which, Ashley, I'm going to need your permission to put holes into your wall since this is in my house. These are cute little sun and moon, like I said, wall hangings. This is packaged like one of those packages where it's like, let me put a box inside a box, and then a box inside a box, and it's like 5 bajillion things. These are just like, almost like tarot card looking little things. Oh my gosh, they're so flimsy. They look like this. Again, I thought they would go with my like room theme. I was sort of thinking that they were gonna be bigger, but apparently that's on me for like not looking at sizes and stuff. But I'm thinking Let me grab y'all. Oh, okay. It could maybe go up here, like up in here maybe. I'm thinking that could work. But we'll have to see. Let me move y'all. There we go. Okay. And next we have some more wall hang-ins. There's 2 in this one. Oh, sorry. You didn't need to be flashed. Her tits are out. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I just whipped them right out in your face. But yeah, that's going to be a surprise when people walk in my room. Oh, tits. Right there. Okay, cool. But let's be quite honest. Who really is going to end up in my room? Because who really, man-wise, is worthy? Let's just start right there. So, this is the moon one. Again, because I was going into the whole sun and moon thing. I thought this could go like right above my dresser over here. It's so cute. And then I'm going to have to make sure that I'm doing the sun one right, so you don't get flashed. Let me. See, we're covering them up this time. But this is what the star one looks like. I'm excited to have them up. I'm excited to see what people's comments are when they walk into my room and see tits right away. Let's start with some more wall hangings. These, okay, I guess I didn't read the whole thing very well, but they're gonna go, I think, either over on that wall or the one behind me over the tapestry with the light. They're just like little stars and moons and suns and stuff that are gonna be iridescent, and I thought that would look so cool in the background. This is the 6-inch Greek mythology statue that I wanted. I'm so excited because I want to get more of these. I just wanted to see how cute it was. I can't remember who I got for this one. Can't remember who it was. But this is her. She's so cute. She's so wonderful. And she's going to fill up. I'm going to get more of these. And I'm going to fill up here next to my, on my palettes. Because I think they would look really nice. And last but not least, the big bitch. I'm hoping that this is going to be how I want it. It is a new bed, like, bed set, essentially. Let me put that right there. It's really suctioned in here, so maybe it is what I want. But I'm very picky when it comes to bed stuff. Like, extremely picky. I sweat like a mother effer in my sleep. Oh, it's expanding. It's expanding. She's gonna blow. Like I was saying, I'm very picky when it comes to my bed stuff. I sweat a lot in my sleep. TMI, I don't care. But this one that I've had, it was my cousin's. It was handed down. It's very lightweight, and it works. So I've had a really hard time finding something that would not only look good in my room, but also be good for me myself. So I'm hoping that this is it, because I've gone through a couple blankets. I've wasted some money. So I'm hoping she's the one. Just like my tapestry, pretty much. It's probably the same on the pillowcase, and the pillowcase will be easier to show you. And it's sort of silky, so that's awesome. So it looks like this. It's just the sun and the moon being all besties and stuff. And now, because I forgot I got this. It was at the bottom and I thought it was just like the sheet. I have my glasses on. I can't see shit, okay? But it was at the bottom of the box and I thought it was the sheet that was like, well, this is what you ordered. I didn't realize these were just going to be stupid little pictures. Now I'm going to have to find frames for them. God damn it. Okay, but these are pictures of all the gods. Greek gods have been one of my hyperfixations for the longest time. There's my man. Hades is my man. He's my lover. Sorry. But I'm excited to put these in stupid little frames and then put them up probably over there then. I don't know. I'm gonna try and see if I can put some of this shit up, throw some of the stuff away, make room look nice, and then I'll show you how it all turned out. The blankets are getting washed right now, but this is what we have so far. I think this is what we're gonna end up with. I'm super happy
One of these didn't have a hanger, so I didn't know what to do with it. Oh, there's me. Hi. But there's this empty space above the TV that I don't know what to do. So if anybody has any ideas. But minus the blanket, this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with it. I'm excited for when the sun hits all of these just right. It's going to be just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm thinking maybe if I can put this up a little bit. I don't know how to make this go up any higher on this tripod. But I think for now, with like the bedding, this is what the background's going to be. I'm loving it. I kind of wish, I think I might actually move the tapestry down a little, but all in all, this is the background. This is it. This is it. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you so much. And just a reminder to not be a piece of shit. Don't be racist, don't be transphobic, don't be homophobic. I promise you it's 110% easier and just like, yeah, less energy. To not be a piece of shit, to not do these things, to ignore the things that you do not like and that you do not understand. I wish you the day that you deserve. If you're gonna be a butthole, but otherwise, if you're a good human being, I wish you the absolute best.